Good evening, everyone. I am Rahul Yadav. I am studying in MBA HR specialization. We are the going to types of leadership. What is leadership? Leadership is the art of the motivating a group of the people to act toward achieving a common goal. In a business setting, this can mean directing worker and colleagues with their strategy to meet the company's needs. There are the five types of leadership: authoritarian, participative, delegative, transactional, transformational. First, we will see the authoritarian. Authoritarian leadership, all a leadership in process expression on the defined outcome. A one person so can turn out the successful in situation when which leadership in the most knowledge gain in the team. Although this is an efficient strategy in time construction periods, creativity will be satisfaction a sign input from the team in limited. Second in participating. Second is participating. The participating are the rooted in democracy theory. The essence is to the involve team member in the decision making process. Team member thoughts feel including engage and the motivate to contribute. The leader will normally have the last word in the decision making process. However, if there are the democration within the group in can be the time consumption process to reach a conjunction. Third, we will see the delegative. Delegative also knowledge a leading a fair leadership. A delegative leadership style focus on delegating initiative at the team member. This can the successful strategy in the team member or component take successfully are the freshest imagination of the among the member might explain the device a group leadership poor motivation and low moral. For we will see the transactional. Transitional leadership use transitional between a leader and this or her follow reward punishment and other exchange to get the job done. The leader is set a clean goal and team member now how to style I all the reward for their completion. This give and taken leadership style is the more consonant with the following stabilize rootness the announced process in a efficient manner than with making any transformational changes to the organization. Fifth, we will see the transformational. In transformational leadership style, the leader implies is the her following with a vision and then instruction and empower they may achieve it. The leader also serve as a role model for the vision. Thank you.